And amid the mega political slugfest over Aam Aadmi Party's alleged scheme fraud and a fresh wave of handout schemes, it's the BJP that has released its first list of candidates for the Delhi Assembly elections. We get you the details of the first list of candidates of the BJP, which features 29 candidates, in this next report.
A day after Prime Minister Modi's call to lift Delhi from Aapda, the BJP announced its first list of candidates for the upcoming assembly elections. The BJP put out its first list of 29 candidates, announcing picks against Chief Minister Atishi and AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. Former Lok Sabha MP Parvesh Verma, who Kejriwal earlier accused of distributing cash ahead of the Delhi elections, will take him on from the New Delhi Assembly constituency. The Congress has already fielded Sandeep Dixit, son of late former Chief Minister Sheila Dixit, from this constituency. Senior BJP leader and former MP from South Delhi constituency Ramesh Biduri will battle Chief Minister Atishi from the Kalkaji Assembly seat. Aam Aadmi Party's turncoats Kailash Gehlot and Rajkumar Anand also made it to the BJP's first list of candidates for the Delhi Assembly elections. Taking a head start over its rivals, the Aam Aadmi Party earlier announced its first and second lists for the Delhi elections. Significantly, the BJP fielded Arvinder Singh Lovely from the Gandhinagar Assembly constituency after deciding against handing a fresh ticket to incumbent Anil Bajpai. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi launched a blistering attack on the Aam Aadmi Party after announcing central projects worth over 4,000 crore rupees in the national capital. Repeating the Kattar Beiman jibe at Kejriwal, the Prime Minister said that the Aam Aadmi Party deliberately kept Yamuna dirty as it does not buy them votes.
अन्ना हजारे जी को सामने करके कुछ कट्टर बेईमान लोगों ने दिल्ली को आपदा में धकेल दिया। ये लोग खुलेआम भ्रष्टाचार करते हैं और उसका महिमा मंडन भी करते हैं। एक तो चोरी, ऊपर से सीना चोरी।
Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party scoffed at Prime Minister's Aapada taunt at Kejriwal, accusing him of speaking the language of the streets.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री की जो भाषा थी, वो एक चौराहे छाप नेता की भाषा थी। आप देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं और मैं इसीलिए कहता हूं ये भारतीय झूठा पार्टी है। आप आम आदमी पार्टी जिसने बिजली पे, पानी पे, शिक्षा पे, स्वास्थ्य पे अद्भुत काम करके दिखाया, आप उसको आपदा पार्टी कह रहे हो।
Laying into Kejriwal today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said he would have to answer to the people of Delhi why he built a sheesh mahal for himself after swearing on his children never to use a government bungalow or vehicle.
कहते थे हम सरकारी गाड़ी नहीं लेंगे, सरकारी बंगलो नहीं लेंगे, एक नए प्रकार की राजनीति का आगाज करेंगे। एक बंगलो से पेट नहीं भरा, दो बंगलों से पेट नहीं भरा, तीन बंगलों से पेट नहीं भरा, चार बंगलों से पेट नहीं भरा, 50,000 गज एक शीश महल बनाया दिल्ली वासियों के 45 करोड़ के खर्चे से। और केजरीवाल जी, आपको इसका हिसाब देना पड़ेगा।
Meanwhile, after being announced as Kejriwal's rival from the New Delhi Assembly seat, Parvesh Verma said that his doors will remain open for the people.
मैं मेरी पार्टी के शीर्ष नेतृत्व का बहुत-बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर में विश्वास जताया। मैं आशा करता हूं कि जो पार्टी ने मेरे ऊपर में विश्वास किया है, मैं यहाँ से नई दिल्ली के जो हमारे वोटर्स हैं उनकी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरूंगा।
As the BJP switches gears ahead of the Delhi elections, the big question is, will the momentum translate into votes?